Yo, what's cracking everyone? Good morning. It's quite early. It's nearly 7 o'clock. I got up at 5:30 today in the morning. And guess what? I packed everything in here. My drone, every camera equipment I own, and my laptop. So this is my office, basically. My filming office, which I got with me. Because today, we're gonna find this spot to fly. The problem in London is, it's called a no-flight zone, because obviously there are aeroplanes and everything, so drones are not allowed to fly as high, and then also people are running around. So there are a couple of things you have to worry about, which I wasn't really aware of when I bought the drone. So filming in London with the drone is a bit of a headache. So that's a pain in the ass, really. Because ideally it would be you just pop the drone into the air, jump on the scooter, and then wherever I drive, the drone just follows me. It actually would be possible because the one I bought has all sensors all around, so it wouldn't hit anything. So let's say it comes close to a building, it would stop or would fly around it and stuff, and even backwards the same thing. So it's really advanced, but you know, we don't want to injure anyone. So I'll need to find a space. And now I need to get changed. So I've got 2 clients, then I'm going to train myself, and then I'm going to find a spot to fly the freaking drone. Have you seen Black Panther? Wakanda forever, right? I had a bit too much coffee today, I think. Alright, time to change for the gym. Ready?
Don't feel I have one. I wanna forget you, but only time will heal. Too late to erase the bad we've done. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you
yeah, baby. Now it's nearly 11 o'clock. I finished my workout. As you've seen, I've done some deadlifts, and actually I'm quite happy. I was able to lift 150 kg, so I'm building myself back up, because ideally I'm lifting 160, 65-ish. That would be something like 80% or 85% of my 1 rep max. Probably I could lift more, but you know, I'm really worried about my groin. But to be fair, I didn't feel it at all by lifting 150. Now I do a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was before. I couldn't even, you know, do like this, like stretch a little bit, and that would be already in agony. So that's a good sign. Now I'm gonna go shower, and then we're gonna take the drone outside. I need to drive a bit outside of London because you can't fly drones in London, which is a bit of a headache. So I'm gonna take an Uber to get there, and I'll see you with the drone. Let's go. Here's the Uber, I guess. Hey, yeah. It's for Marc, right? Yeah. Perfect.
wanna forget you, but only time will heal.
Alright, just jumped out of the Uber. He's over there. Got my stuff, my scooter and my backpack. And he's somehow holding up all the traffic now. But we're gonna go this way because that's where the park is. So let's find a good spot. Alright guys, I found a really nice spot, which is really big. And now you're gonna see this whole thing from the top. Hopefully. But you know, first I need to set up the GoPro, which, not the GoPro, the other one. And you see me do that now.
To erase the bad we've done. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you.
Alright, so now I finally, after around 10 minutes time, no, let's say 20 minutes, I figured out how to switch this thing on. This took like freaking ages. And then here you have to do all of this stuff. It's not set up yet. Activate, connecting to the server, whatever. This was like, I was about to go home and actually send it back because I was like, this thing's not working. But let me just check if I got everything set up right. So this is the first try. Got the baby here. And now what you need to do, you can see the camera feed already. I don't know, you can probably not see it so light. It says, ensure that collisions are safe to take off. Aircraft will go to an altitude of 1.2 meters. It'll automatically come back to that. And here we go. We're gonna try to do this whole thing, return to home thing. Land, yes.
Landing.
Landing initiated. He should be landing over there. He should be returning to home. I don't know, I think it's this one. Return to home, yes.
Go home.
So, go home. Here we go. I'm not doing anything, so it's coming. And hopefully, landing. Boom. Fucking hell, man. This is like shit. This is like a super drone. Holy fuck. Now what we're going to try to do is, it has these pre-set up things, like you can stand here and say fly away, and then it sort of captures you on the way out and back. I don't know. I'm going to try a couple of these things and then you're going to see them now. Yeah, so that was the footage so far. I really have to try some stuff out with this thing. It's really cool, but what I didn't show you is that the aviation authority, or no, I mean the park authority came and they said, oh, you're not allowed to film here and stuff. I mean, I knew that anyway, but people are really cautious about drones. You know, they, as soon as someone sees a drone, they're like, super freaked out, which makes filming with drones probably not as easy as I thought, but it's a fun thing to do. I'm not really sure how we're gonna use this yet, but yeah, just spent £1,000 and a new toy in my bag. What a day, what a day. I went back home to sleep for around an hour because I had two less, in my opinion. No, I actually did. And then, now I'm in the gym. I've got one more client, and I thought in between I'll have, so this is chicken, extra chicken, oil and lemon, and a salad, basically, with some sweet potato, potato, you know, whatever you are. If you are English or if you are American, you pronounce potato differently. Anyway, I'm just a bit annoyed that I can't fly this freaking drone everywhere, but here comes the reason. Because I read everything up. You know, like all parks in London, basically everywhere, it's not allowed to fly because we're scared of terrorism. That's the idea behind it. I'm like, okay, but you know, it is what it is. So I need to find some spots where we can fly this shit. Salad ain't that tasty, is it? I feel like a little rabbit, but like a killer rabbit, you know, eating chicken in the salad. Monster rabbit. Alright, I got even some more packages from Amazon. Let me unpack them. We got some filters for the drone, like ND filters. They make it darker and it has the cinematic effect. This is it's called Stuntman action camera hero mount. So this one is going to go on here onto my backpack, and then I can actually mount my GoPro on there. And this one is, I freaking don't know, monitor hood. Oh yeah, so when you fly the drone, you've got like a little shield thing going on. Yeah, that's that. Alright, now I'm about to have some dinner, and that's basically gonna be a bowl of fruits. There you go. So, strawberries, avocado, and you know what this is. I don't know the English word for it. Some leaves with some rice in it, a little bit of hummus. I'm not eating all of it. And some yogurt. And then we put some bread, obviously again, just a little bit of it. Apple cider vinegar, that's that. And I'm actually gonna watch Wonder Woman. It's not Wakanda Forever, it's something else. But yeah, I'm gonna have some free time today. Enjoy life a little bit. So see you guys tomorrow. Leave a comment in the box below and check in tomorrow. That's awkward. See you.